Hey kids, today we're going to make a colorful cake. Are you ready? Yeah, we're ready! First, we need Play-Doh in all different colors. We need green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, and then pink Play-Doh, a shaper for decorating, and chocolate sauce. Alright, are you ready to begin? Yeah! First we begin with the yellow layer. We roll it, shape it into a ball and press it. And then we roll it out into a nice circle. There, the first layer. Then I pat it and put it on our cake plate. Now, are you ready for the next layer? It's gonna be blue. Roll it, roll it, roll it, pat it. Time for the third layer. It's going to be orange. Here we go. Pat it and I put it on top. That's our cake. Now it's time to decorate it. Oh, can we eat the star? No, not yet. The cake's not ready. Let's make a star. We'll use a green Play-Doh. Yay! Press it. And here's our star. Now we need to make chocolate sauce. There it is. Oh, a little difficult. There we go. The chocolate sauce is on the cake. This is going to be so delicious. All right, kids. Now we just have to cut the cake. Where's the knife? I'm gonna go get the knife. After that, we can eat the cake. Hey, you know what? Barbie's afraid of needles. Needles? Yeah, she's so scared. I have an idea. We can get peanut butter and put it on the cake, and when Barbie eats it, she'll get an allergy. The doctor will have to come and give her a needle shot. Ah, yeah, let's do it. All right, let's get it. Now, quick, I think I hear her. Barbie's coming. All right, I'm almost ready. There, I've put the peanut butter on the cake. Shh, okay, she's coming, she's coming. All right, children. What are you doing? Are you ready to eat this cake? Yeah. All right, let's cut it. Oh, this is gonna be delicious, Barbie. Cutting it. One for me, one for you, one for you. Wow, this cake is so colorful. All right, who will eat first? Me, I want to try this. Barbie, what happened? Your face, it's all red. Oh no, and I don't feel so well, children. Oh, I think you're having an allergy. Let's call the doctor. Yeah, I'll call the doctor. Hey Barbie, what happened? Do you have any allergies? Well, only a peanut allergy. Did you eat peanuts and anything? No, not that I know of. Doctor, are you not going to give a shot to Barbie? Girls, why do I need to give a shot to Barbie? Well, We want her to get better really quickly. Maybe it's the best way. Girls, your face, it's all red. I think you also have a peanut allergy. Oh no. You are all red and I'm all red. Oh. Well, doctor, looks like you're gonna have to give them a shot. All right, girls, come with me. I'll give you a shot first. We'll get this allergy cleared up right away. Don't worry. No! Let's go, run!